Okay guys, this is the fit that I went with. Super interesting. I'm supposed to be like an army sergeant or something, but I look like an exterminator that's about to come and spray for bugs and stuff. If y'all couldn't see already. We got Officer Wayman over here. Go check out her Instagram. She actually did a workout in this, so sneaky, sneaky, peeky. Why not use outfits twice? Anyways, we're gonna go pick up our friendly friends and go to the Halloween party. There's not good lighting in here. Last time I vlogged, we were going to a different Halloween party, and now we're going to another one, but we're all matching. Yeah! We're gonna be lumberjacks, so let me show you. We're all matching. I mean, we're kind of lumberjacks, but you know, we make it work. So cute. Guys, it's been so long since I vlogged, and I'm pretty sure the only content on this vlog so far has been us dressing up and going to Halloween parties. So we've had a fun Halloween, you could say. Well, we've gone to dressed up like 3 or 4 different times this year, and that's like so weird and unheard of for like our family. We don't usually celebrate Halloween, or we never really did when we were younger. Like, we would dress up and stuff, but like we never went to parties or anything, or through parties really. So it was kind of fun that we got to do that this year, but I am a little bit sick. I think I have a little head cold, and this weather, like the cold weather, just makes me want to just sit inside and cuddle up on the bed. So that's literally what I'm doing. I just got off work, so I am just sitting here. I was watching some YouTube videos on my phone, just waiting until Holly gets off of work. We're going to hit the gym together, and actually before the gym, we're gonna go to the chiropractor because the joint is actually doing like this, I think, free consultation and free adjustment for their grand opening here where I live. So we're gonna go do that because working a desk job makes me literally just like slump over, and that sounds so nice. So I'm gonna go do that with Holly before the gym. I think it's gonna be a fun weekend. I wanted to go and clean my car. My brother actually does cleanings, so I'll link his Instagram down below so you guys can hit him up if you guys ever want your car detailed or cleaned. He does interior and exterior. I feel like I just kind of fall off the vlogging streak, I guess you could say. I'm like doing it every single day and then I stop, but it's not that I've been unmotivated, it's just like I stop, and when I don't pick up the camera, then I just don't vlog. So I just need to pick it up more and just vlog. I wanted to tell you guys that I got a couple packages, and I want to show you guys some of my favorite things. I know that I ordered like my PE Science, I think it is. Is it P Science or PE Science? I don't know. I ordered their high volume. I freaking love that stuff, and I just don't want to do caffeine every time I work out, but I also want the pump. So I'll show you guys what I got. I ordered perfume, and it's like the Scentbird, and I've tried this because I saw Haley Gamba's video and she was like, try yes, like with her code, and I tried it and I freaking love it. Like, they're so cute, and there's so many different scents that you can try, and it's just like a little tiny like travel size, so it's perfect. I can just put it in my purse. But they're all like really high-end brands, and you can sample them for like $16 a month, and those bottles are pretty expensive, so like that's a really good deal. I will show you guys the scent when I get it and how cute the package is because they're so cute. So I like to keep things pretty transparent here on my channel, so I wanted to give you guys a little update on what's been going on in my life. I have been dealing with a lot of health issues, and I've been on quite a few different medications and antibiotics, and it's really made my health kind of go downhill. That's kind of why I'm sick, and I'm like, I don't usually get sick, you know, but I am just kind of working on getting my health back up and eating healthy again, because I was going through this like kind of downfall where I was just eating really unhealthy because I didn't feel good, so I kept eating unhealthy, and it resulted in a lot of health problems. So I'm kind of dealing with that now. and it's getting better, but from all the antibiotics that I was taking and the pills and stuff, I am just trying to get my health back up and trying to not be sick, you know. I don't want to be sick for the holidays, so I kind of want to just share things here and there of what I'm doing to get my health back up. Number one, I never have had so much tea in my life. I'm honestly drinking tea whenever I can to help my cold, but also trying to stay hydrated and eating healthier so that I don't feel, you know, like sugar is not going to make you any better. So yeah, that's kind of why I've been a little bit distant from vlogging, because I'm like, I don't want to like share that kind of stuff, you know, but trying to be transparent on my channel and show the good and the bad, because that's just life, you know, and we all go through things. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, and yeah. All right, so we're about to head to the gym, Holly and I. And I wanted to show you guys the package that I told you I was gonna show you. So, finally got my PE Science. It's the high volume, 0 caffeine, but it has a pump. So I'm gonna do this before the gym. Came in perfect timing, so I'm gonna have some of that, and then we are gonna go have a good back day. You know, I haven't hit back in a minute, but I've honestly noticed my back growing a lot. I don't know if that's because I stopped eating sugar and eating a lot more like chicken and rice. We're in our fluffy jackets today. It's so cold outside. Good morning, guys. It is Friday, and we are going to go out to Heather's house to do a Secret Santa and just kind of hang out. As you can tell, I sound very sick. Very congested up here. The plan right now is we're gonna go get some Zao because we need to eat a lot of calories before the end of the day, and it's already 3. So we're gonna go get some Zao and then head over to Heather's. And I think the plan tonight is to have steak. So that sounds delicious. I'll show you guys the Zao bowl because I like to see food when I'm watching YouTube videos. So we'll show you guys when we get that, and then I will show you guys when we get to Heather's. I need you now more than ever. Doing my best. Hi. Oh my gosh, there's Heather. Oh my God. I used to be scared that you'd leave. So this is what we got for dinner. We're gonna do some steaks and put them on the grill. I guess we're seasoning them on here. Got these delicious gluten-free cookies because we gotta have sweets. I need you now more than ever. 'Cause I need you now more than ever. Flour, putting flour in your hair. Picking a flower. all over at the amenities here at the apartments, and we're going to go to Costco and kind of do a little family Costco trip. Just grab our groceries and stuff. We're kind of just hanging out with the fam this weekend. This is the fit for today. We've seen it before. It's literally what I wore to that Halloween party last time because it's cute and it's comfy and it feels super festive. So I'm gonna wear it. And yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with my brothers, probably play some basketball with them for a second. I can't play basketball at all, but we'll do that, and then we'll meet up with Holly at Costco and we'll go shopping. Are you so excited to go Costco shopping? Hell yeah. Got that again. That's what we always do.
Kinda crazy. This is something kinda crazy. Call me, baby. I think you to call me, baby. I'm looking, but if you want to, we could do something kinda crazy. How about you? Call me, baby. Cause I've been, call me, baby. I know it's kinda crazy.
Should I sneak it up? It's actually a laptop, desktop.
Don't keep me waiting, yeah. Am I the one you're dreaming of? Every day I'm thinking. Got me feeling lucky. Come my way, you lovely. I've been waiting for you, waiting for you. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Yeah. What's the word? I've been waiting for you. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word?